Each printer head pass over the substrate uses a set of layer profile tab controls applied for that pass. Choose Queue Menu Properties. This queue outputs to black garment material, so there are two layers. One for the underbase pass that prints white ink, and one for the color pass that mainly prints CMYK. Each set of layer tabs are defined by the print mode listed on the General tab. The order of these layers indicate their printing order, so the underbase layer prints before the color layer. In comparison, a queue configured for white garments does not need an underbase. Each layer has its own set of tabs: the main layer profile tab plus processing options, printer options, ICC profile, and halftones. Advanced tabs are shown when the Tools menu Options Show Advanced Settings option is on. However, this video focuses on the default tabs. On the Layer Profile tab, note the color channels that the printer recognizes. In addition to CMYK, this printer supports white ink. If the printer supports additional spot colors, such as a clear finish or perhaps a spot red or spot orange, they would be listed here. The active channels for the layer are enabled. The underbase layer only shows the white channel active, whereas the color layer has CMYK and white. Choke values can be negative, a choke, or positive, a spread. For a job file that already contains a white underbase, the choke will be applied when received. A choke in the range of -3 to -5 should be adequate. If you need less than -5 choke, your printer likely has mechanical issues. When a file is received, underbase data must already be defined in the file, otherwise underbase data will be automatically generated. For automatically generated underbase, set choke on the Processing Options tab. As said, positive values create a spread. For a finishing coat, where protective dots are printed atop the dots of the colored job, a small spread causes the finish to cover a larger area, thereby improving the longevity of the print. A spread of 3 to 5 is considered acceptable.